How to enable and use voice message transcript on WhatsApp on your Android or Samsung devices. Recently, WhatsApp introduced new feature called the voice message transcript. So let's see how to enable it. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Tap the settings. Now scroll down up to chats. Here you can see the chats option. Tap on it. Now here you can find the option voice message transcript. Read new voice message. So toggle on it. So when you toggle on it, you can see the pop-up. Read your voice message with transcript. So tap on a choose language. Here you can see the different available language for English, Portuguese. So select the language. Here we select the English language. Now tap on a setup now at the bottom. So tap on it. Now wait until here you can see download the language on your device. Transcript downloaded. So wait until language download. Until go back. Scroll down. Now open any contact you want to use transcribe. Here we open this and send message. Hello, how are you? Now you can see the message. Hello, how are you? Now after downloading the transcript language, long press it, tap on the three dots and you can see the transcribe option. Tap on it to see it. Now here you can see the your transcribed message. Hello, how are you? On your device. So this is the very helpful feature to transcribe your message on your Android, Samsung or any other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.